Hey everyone, Dave Cook, D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. I heard a great podcast today as it relates to marketing and just wanted to kind of go over that premise because it really kind of hit a chord. Are you selling or are you telling people how you can help them? Selling or serving was kind of the theme of it, and it really strikes a chord with me because it's so true. If you go to some place and no one wants to be sold, no one wants to be sold a car. Everyone hates when you go to the store. Where can we help you? What can we want? What can we show you? No one wants that. How can you help me? Hey, can I show you something, or do you need help with something? Great. If you want to show me how to use something, awesome. But I don't want to be sold anything. If I'm there for a specific thing, show me where it's at. But you have to be sold. I hate being sold. And I can't imagine contractors going in and selling something to somebody. They may want what your product is, but they're still buying you more than they're buying what you do or what you sell. So people buy from people that they know, like, and trust. So how do you get people to know, like, and trust you? My opinion, and what we've been kind of doing, is building up our social media presence and our online presence. A lot of videos so people know who we are, what we do, how we do it. So my goal is to be the person that before I ever step foot on someone's property, they know what I look like, they know what we're about, they've already seen our employees. I want them to be very, very educated, to know everything about me as much as possible before I ever even go there. Because people that see our YouTube channel and have seen our videos, the sales rate on those is astronomically high compared to those that just cold call us from Yelp or Nextdoor. Those are awful. But the ones that get us online and have researched us, the close rate on those is really high. There are our ideal customer that we've identified for, because we are looking for a certain type of customer. And those are well-educated people that know what we do, how we do it, the value of what they're getting, what we stand for, everything. Those are the customers we're looking for, and they find us through videos like this that we're sharing with customers on YouTube, Facebook, wherever else. So how could, when you're serving, how can you serve them? How can you help them? Hey, we're gonna, I've had people change the batteries and smoke detectors. When you're going to paint, clean the dust from the HVAC vents. Clean the ceiling fans of the dust. Making sure, if you pull up, take a garbage can in. Just doing what you say you're going to do when you're going to do it is head and shoulders more than what most people are getting from contractors coming to their home. That simple thing alone will help you sell more jobs. Showing up, doing what you say, not upcharging, just being 100% honest and authentic about what you do. So the more we can serve the customers that we're after, the more we can help them, the more we're going to get back, the more value we can instill, the more they're going to refer. So stop selling, start figuring out how to serve, how to help. That's my marketing thing for the day. If you have other questions on how we can help, if you have some ideas that yourself of what you're doing to help your customers and serve your customers, man, let us know. Love to hear them. Love to see if we can make that part of what we do also, because at the end of the day, our mission is to help people love the space they're in. So we want to figure out how we can do that. Hope you guys have a great day, and God bless.